Well, possessions ain't nothing to a lonely man. I could buy a house, I could buy some land. Wouldn't have nothing, I didn't have you. See, they got fancy cars that go real quick, but those automobiles ain't worth a lick if you ain't the one riding by my side. They got airplanes that fly and glide, they go anywhere, high and wide, but I ain't going nowhere without you. You're my honey pie, you're my sweet little baby. Call me nuts, but I think that you crave me. Maybe we're crazy, maybe we're lost our minds. But got a look in your eyes every night and day that you hypnotize me with the things you say. Wouldn't have it any other way. Well, hi there pluckers, I've Sore Fingers again with you with another song from Zach Bryan, another recent one called Honey. Okay, this one is very simple. Okay, it's the same chords all the way through the song. Verse, chorus, everything's the same sequence. Okay, very simple. Starts off with a C. You can play a straightforward easy C. Oh, by the way, I'm in standard tuning, but I'm capoed at the first fret. Okay, puts us into the same key as Zach Bryan performs the song in. Okay, so straightforward C chord, or C with G in the bass if you want to do a 4-fingered G like me, or a simple C, it's up to you. Okay, so you start off initially, the first thing you do is you hit that third on the fifth and then start strumming. Okay, then we go to an A minor, and the way he plays, you don't have to do this, but if you listen to it, there's a very little bit in that A minor on the very first time he plays it. Okay, so it's what he's doing there, he hits the A minor, one single strum, so it's, and at that point he lifts up the third finger off the third string and plays the open third and hammers into that second fret. Then plays the second string on the first fret and then plays that second on the third again. So open third, hammer up to the second on the third, second string, first fret, and back to the second on the third. So it's, and then have a couple of strums, and then E minor, then a G chord, either a simple G chord or a 4-fingered G, doubling up on the top two strings on the third fret like I'm playing there. That's probably gives you a better sound, but a simple G is fine. So that's just, that A minor bit is played, I think, I'm not sure, I can't categorically say it, but that's the only time I can remember hearing that. It's right at the beginning of the song. Okay, but you can put it in somewhere else if you wanted to, I'm sure. Okay, so let's intro. There you go, and that's just repeat the same chord sequences for the whole song. Oh, possessions ain't nothing to a lonely man. I could buy a house, I could buy some land. Wouldn't have nothing if I didn't have you. See, they got fancy cars that go real quick, but those automobiles ain't worth a lick if you ain't gone riding by my side. They got airplanes that fly and glide, but they got nowhere anywhere high and wide. But they ain't got nowhere without you. Right, the chorus is exactly the same. You're my honey pie, you're a sweet little baby. Call me nuts, but I think that you crave it. maybe we're crazy, maybe we've lost our minds. Excuse my singing. But I could look in your eye every night and day. You hypnotise me with the things you say. Wouldn't have it any other way. And so on, okay? That's all it is all the way through, that sequence of chords, okay? So please excuse the singing, I can't sing it like he does, okay? Anyway, enjoy, a nice simple one for you for a change, okay? Bye for now, see you in the next lesson.